disciplinary action taken. Congress party should lead by example. Take action against netas who are not following the party line, at least on this issue.
My question is different. Anybody asking the government for the incompetence of the security agencies in Pahalgam, anybody questioning the government is branded as anti-national, is called a pro. What is this nonsense?
No. Don't confuse the two issues. Do not confuse the two issues. I am sure all these issues were raised in the all-party meeting, and before that only the government spoke about the loopholes. The government spoke about the loopholes. So do not confuse. Just because you're questioning the government on security does not make you anti-national. No. Don't confuse people. I want to bring in Charu Pragya. Ravi Srivastava, that is not the case. This, 1 second. There are people who are openly saying, let's talk to Pakistan. There are people who are saying, Arey dharm kahan par pucha? And through these statements, they are giving a clean chit to Pakistan, and that is disservice to India. Ravi Srivastava, don't confuse. Charu Pragya.
Individual statements, that's not...
No, 1 second. Do not confuse. Charu Pragya.
Now, who was the friend? Tell me.
Allow Charu Pragya to come in now. Ravi Srivastava ji. Charu, can you hear me?
Unfortunately for India, for every terrorist that is outside, I can, Swati. Am I audible?
Yes.
So for every terrorist that is outside our borders, there is a terrorist sympathizer within our borders. And that is so unfortunate for our India. That is so unfortunate because the entire country can see this. There is a terrorist across the border, and all these Congress leaders, they line up being sympathizers, being supporters. One, in fact, even goes ahead and says we should simply accept Pakistan's word that they didn't do it. Were you amongst those people who accepted Pakistan's word that they were not harboring UN-declared terrorists like Osama bin Laden and Hafiz Saeed also? That is what you want to do now. So it is really, really unfortunate that we don't just have to fight enemies across the border. We have to deal with the cowards within our own political system who don't have the courage to speak out because of some kind of vote bank politics. And that hurts me, Swati. That hurts me so much. So you take one stand in the all-party meeting, come out and say we stand behind the government. But after that, you see a series of synchronized attacks and statements which are completely pro-Pakistan, which completely negate the eyewitnesses accounts we got of that horrific day that India has had to suffer. And at the same time, you are putting, terrorists on a pedestal. You're actually saying that, हाँ ठीक है, बात कर लेते हैं. एक बात आप ध्यान से सुन लीजिए. Terrorism and talks don't go hand in hand, and blood and water will not flow together anymore. This is not the India of the past. This is not the India of UPA rule when you would write a few letters after 26/11 and then sit comfortably pretending that that is all that you could do. This is the India of surgical strikes, and this is the India of Balakot. Okay. And we stand firm when we say har ek drop of blood ka hisab hoga.
Vivek Salas, then why do